Welcome to Ancient Wisdom. Altruism in nature. Altruism means basically charity towards others, or in technical terms, it is conscious effort to help somebody else without expecting anything in return or getting anything in return, and even expending energy for that purpose. So, this altruism is really rare in the nature. In nature, unconsciously, subconsciously, or being a part of natural cycle, one animal is dependent on the other. All animals are dependent on each other, but they do not exhibit altruistic behavior. Dependent on each other how? For example, wolves, their chief food is deers. When wolves are around, the deers are conscious. They keep eating the grass a little bit here and little bit there and keep moving forward. As a result of which, the grass can grow, grass can recoup. This grass that recoups can hold the topsoil. This topsoil that is held can support flora and fauna, that is bigger trees, shrubs. The shrubs can help bigger trees to hold on, and the bigger trees bring rain. The rain creates even more grass, and grass helps deer to feed, and the deer are food of the wolves, so wolves succeed. But in this process, the whole natural cycle moves, and the rivers are full of water, lakes are full of water, the land retains its fertility, grass, shrubs, trees, and everybody grows. So everybody is a part of that natural cycle. Nobody is doing anything here subconsciously, or rather other way around, nobody is doing anything here consciously. They are going as per their nature. Two things, one is barter and other is charity. These two seem to be very peculiar to human beings. In fact, one of the biggest evidences of civilization is said to be a fossil whereby the femur, the bone of the thigh, was found, and it was broken at two places and then it was joined. It belonged to some human being long back. Now, why this is the evidence of civilization is because when this femur was broken, the person would not be able to move, and then he would have to be taken care of for considerable period of up to 6 months by somebody else, and that somebody else may not get anything from this person because this person would be totally useless for hunting anymore. But that the femur joint, it showed that this care had been taken, and that this person was cared for and was brought back to health without being of any great help to the tribe. That is charity. Now, coming back to the animal kingdom, we don't see this behavior. I searched on for this and I came up with only 3 examples. In one example, a monkey brings the tree branches down for deers to eat. There is no benefit to him. Monkeys and deers are not related. In the second, sperm whales, they adopted a bottlenose dolphin which had some physical problem or physical defect. They adopted him and fed him for considerable time. Again, there is no relationship, but at the same time, a bottlenose dolphin is a part of the whale family. And the third example that I saw was that of vampire bats. Vampire bats, those bats who fly out at night to get food, they come back and regurgitate some of the food that they have taken for the benefit of the bats which are in the same cave and are not able to go out. A conscious effort to feed those bats and bring them back to health. So these are the three examples that we have seen of altruism in nature. So altruism in nature is not absent, but it is still very rare. At the same time, what happens is, because all animals form some part of the food chain, their efforts towards getting food creates food for somewhere else, or creates some kind of work or some kind of benefit for somebody else in the cycle. So for that, the cycle to go on is the most important aspect of the whole situation. So we can say that we don't need to really do anything, go out of our way to help environment or help anybody else. If we remain a cycle of the, if we remain a part of the natural cycle and do our duty honestly, completely, fully, devotedly, the natural cycle itself will take care of everything. That is ancient wisdom. Namaskar.